Alam niyo, may friend ako na nawalan ng phone. Fortunately, na-secure naman niya agad yung BPI online account niya. If this happens to you, nako, sana hindi. Let me show you how to secure your BPI online account kung sakaling mawalan kayo ng device. First step, go to online.bpi.com.ph. Then click on Show Inquiries and Other Services and choose Lock My Access. Simple lang, di ba? Just enter your username or one of these, your debit card number, credit card number, or deposit account number. Tandaan, once your access has been locked, all logins and online transactions with your current username will be permanently blocked. To regain access, tawag lang po tayo sa 24/7 contact center ni BPI. Also, make sure to report your lost phone to your telco provider immediately.